We're going to look at lesson 16 in this session. Lesson 16 has to do a lot with abstract. The first one we're going to look at is you're going to get a problem where it's x over a plus m over b plus c over d. What this is going to be is a lot of the same thing over and over again. So you're going to get common denominators here, which would be d over d. And so you're going to end up with x over a plus m over db plus c over d. And you're going to do what we're about to show you over and over again. You're going to flip this, you're going to get common denominators, flip and multiply. So d over db plus c. So what you end up with is x over a plus md over db plus c. And same thing, common denominators, flip and multiply one more time. Common denominator is db plus c over db plus c. So you end up with x over 1 over dba plus ac plus md all over db plus c. Flip it and multiply, db plus c all over dba plus ac plus md. And of course you just distribute the x to that, and basically that is your answer. Not difficult, but it's just kind of the same thing over and over again. In this next type of abstract problem, we're going to solve for or isolate whatever variable they tell us to solve for or isolate. In this case, it's going to be c. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply this out. Y equals VA over X plus VB over MC. So we just distribute the V. You know how to do that. Then we're going to multiply everything. We're going to eliminate the denominator. So we're going to multiply everything times the common denominator, which is XMC. So the X's will cancel, the MC's will cancel. So we get XMCY equals MCVA plus VBX. Now we're going to bring all the C's, just like you would a normal algebra problem. You bring all the C's, anything that has a C in it, to the same side. And when you do that, you're gonna factor out a C. So you're left with XMY minus MVA equals VBX. Now you divide both sides by XMY minus MVA, XMY minus MVA. When you do that, C is now by itself, so C equals VBX all over XMY minus MVA. The last problem is a synthetic division problem, which you're going to use your calculator. You're going to use the programs function, and you're going to scroll down to synthetic division. I'll show you how to do that in class, or you can figure it out on your own. The only trick you need to remember is when entering the last thing, which is x, like if you look at the example on page 124, x minus 1, you don't put -1 in your calculator. You actually put the opposite sign, x, you'll put a 1 in your calculator. We can show you that in class.